Alright drivers, today I'm putting on a Cobra 29 LXLE. As you see, the features: talkback, it's on a variable, delta tune, RF gain, got the frequency readout, change the channel, your dynamite, the volume of your squelch, noise blinker. As you see, it'll scan until it picks something up. I'm plugged in dummy load, so it ain't going to work. Take scan off. If you push in on that button, it gives you your display menu. Here you can change your colors, change the brightness, your weather alerts, contrast, weather alert scan, keytones, gives you a radio check test.
Hello, check 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gives you that stuff. Gives you SWR right here.
Audio, check 1, 2, 3, 4.
Press PTT to check power output.
Hello, audio.
Checks your antenna for you.
Hello, audio, check. Audio.
And after it's done, it'll check that through. Everything passed. You can turn off where it goes ting, 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 ting. So here again's the overview of the radio. Myself, I personally like it on blue. I'll take it over to the watt meters over here. On a 20 watt scale. On the peak.
Audio.
As you see, it's running about a 15 watt dead key. A little high to run a box, but if you want it set up, we can do that for you also. About 40 watts. Big hammer key. Show it to you on the RMS scale. About 15 RMS swinging forward. And right now we'll take you back over to the antenna side. Get a radio check on this thing. That's right. Let's go check out everything else here. As you see, signal's moving.
Breaker 19 for radio check. Breaker 19 for radio check.
That's working good, driver.
Roger, appreciate it. Y'all have a good one out there. Be a road star. Had a little squealing problem going on there. I turned that mic gain down a little bit.
turn up your squelch a little bit. It'll let the radio scan by itself. You drivers are too quiet today. You drivers are too quiet today. Time to wake up. Sound like Mexico on Channel 19 again. Got all of it. What are y'all doing out there? How's it looking back your way? East Mountain, break.
Jump on at the 105, you're good to there.
Roger at the 105. Alright, I appreciate it. Is this radio sound right out your way today?
Sounds good to me.
Roger, one using the Cobra 29, just testing her out, Roger.
10.
Not all the pretty fancy lights in her. Well, y'all have a good day out there, man. Be Roadstar out here at the 118. Have a good one. CB Shops on channel 16 standing by. CB Shop standing by. Looks like Mexico's going to come in here and try to get us to a skip today. But anyways, there's the radio. As you see, it changes frequencies every time you change the channel. Kind of a neat feature they did. Anyways, 50th anniversary radio, limited edition. They only made 10,000 of these radios. It's for sale on eBay. Y'all have a good day. Any other questions, send me a comment box. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks.